Hey everyone, Google has just rolled out a brand new and honestly pretty fun feature inside Google Search Console called Achievements. Today we are going to walk you through exactly what this new report is, where to find it, how to use it, and what it all means. So let's dive in. So, what is the Achievements report? According to Google, it was created to help you track your site's progress and reward your efforts. It's a motivational tool that celebrates milestones as your site grows. For example, it might celebrate the first time your site reaches 100 clicks from Google search in 28 days. But here's the most important thing to know right up front, and Google is very clear about this. This report was not designed to reflect how Google's ranking systems work. Think of it as a fun, encouraging feature, not a technical performance report or a ranking factor. It's about celebrating your hard work. Okay, let's dive into the report itself. To find the Achievements report, just look in the navigation menu on the left side of your search console. You should see a new option with a little trophy icon labeled Achievements, as you can see on the screen. The report is neatly divided into two main sections, In Progress and Achieved. The In Progress section is at the top. This shows you the very next milestone that Google thinks you're on track to complete. And when you click on it, you get some really useful details. First, you'll see how your traffic compares to the previous 28-day period. You'll also get a direct link to the main Insights report for a deeper dive. Next up is the Achieved section. This is your trophy case. It's a gallery of all the milestones your site has successfully reached in the past. It's a great way to look back and see how far you've come. When you click on a past achievement, you'll see a larger presentation of the badge. This is what Google was talking about in their announcement when they encourage users to share the achievements they're proud of. Now, one last important point. What if you open this report and don't see any data? Don't worry, your site isn't broken. For brand new properties, Google says it can take about 28 days to collect enough data to start tracking your progress and show you your first in-progress achievement. So if it's empty, just be patient and check back later. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Search Console updates. Thanks for watching.